Hello viewers, the Model Maniac back here, and it's been a while since I said that. Yeah, I I haven't uploaded in quite a while, but I think I've been quite busy with other things. But I'm now getting back to modelling, which is good. And actually interesting, we're doing another build video today because of course I'm not doing another unboxing on this kit. It hasn't been that long, but yeah. So we're building the Airfix 1/76 scale Sherman Calliope. I've never been too fond of the way what that tank's called because I don't like the word Calliope. Not too American. That's what I find. Anyway, yeah. If you want to watch the unboxing for this kit, it's on the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna get probably right into it. I thought I have something else to say. I can't quite remember what it is. I'll probably remember in a second. I'm going to be doing this is probably going to be the new format for a build video if you like it. So I'll probably have a bit of an intro at the start. Won't be as long as this because I'm talking too much, ideally. Yeah, so I'll start the building of this. Some of it will be time lapse, some of it will be down close and personal. For the smaller details, perhaps. Yeah. So I'll see you. Well, maybe if I speak, I might even. Yeah, I'll see you later in the video. All right. So I'm gonna. All I can do with hello. It's quite a difficult piece to get off. There we are. Like I do with most of my tanks, so I'm going to start with the turret. And actually, interestingly, some of you might be thinking, well, haven't you built a Sherman on your channel? And actually I have. There is a build video of it. It's quite a while ago, and I'm still quite happy with it. Actually, I'm really happy with it. And now the Sherman for the base part of the Sherman on the kit, sort of all this part, is exactly the same kit. It's the same kit from 1963. And the only bit that's different is the new parts for the actual rocket tubes are moulded in like 2007 or something. So yeah, it's going to be quite identical to that build, except I'm going to do a different decal scheme. I'm going to be doing an American one this time, and also it obviously had the rocket tubes as well. So if you want to see just the regular Sherman, you can go look at that on my channel. And yeah, and now I'm going to see what's next in the instructions, and I won't be talking all the way through like this, don't worry. Right, so I've got this done, the turret done. Apparently you also need to drill some holes in it, where I haven't done them yet. Basically on the sides, so the frame of the rocket tubes can go into them, and you can move it up and down. I'll do that later when I've got that complete. Because I can't be bothered to do it at the moment, to be honest. I think we're going to move on now onto doing the running gear. It looks like, yeah. Well, we're not doing exactly in order, are we? So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so whilst the wheels are drying, I'm going to move on to doing the all the actual Calliope bit of it and assembling the rocket tubes. So yeah, I'll see you when I've done that.